Hello, my name is Hart Haymaker, and I will be doing lab number 4 for Gen Chem 2 tonight. This lab discusses qualitative anion tests, and tonight I will be given the opportunity to identify commonly occurring anions and study some of the reactions used for their identification. I'll also be using precipitation reaction and evolution of gas to identify anions. My objectives for this experiment are going to be to identify some commonly occurring anions, and I'll be studying some of the reactions used for their identification. For this experiment, I've gathered all my materials. I've got some household bleach in this container here, distilled water, toothpicks. I've retrieved my 2 plastic beakers, my graduated cylinder, a pencil for marking. I've also got my glass test tubes right here, and a 24 well plate. Within my container, or within the experiment bag I was asked to get tonight, were quite a few chemicals. These chemicals being ammonium malabate, aqueous ammonia, barium chloride, nitric acid. I've got an organic reagent right here. I've also got a couple empty pipettes for moving chemicals around. I've got silver nitrate. I've also got sodium bromide, sodium carbonate, sodium chloride, sodium iodide, sodium phosphate, sodium sulfate, sodium sulfide, and then also be using an unknown element tonight. I was also told to get some test strips for lead acetate, and we'll go ahead and get started. So, first things first, I'm going to go ahead and open up each one of these containers. Got my gloves on to keep me protected here. Are open. Set that to the side. Take some of my glass test tubes. And we will get started. So, to start with, I'm going to be putting 8 drops of the anions that are being tested. So I'm going to go ahead and start with bromide. I need to put 8 drops in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. Next, I need to put 8 drops of hydrochloric acid. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Looking for a reaction. Doesn't seem to be one. All right. take bromide again. 8 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to add this time silver nitrate. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Definitely getting a reaction here. I'm definitely seeing a precipitant. All right. Well, that'll conclude tonight's video of Gen Chem 2, Lab 4. And this is ending qualitative and ion testing. Thank you. Have a good night.